If you bought a Silverado and everyone said you were crazy, congratulations, you were right and they were wrong. And today, I'm gonna prove it with numbers that'll shut up everyone who doubted you. Look, 95% of people buy a truck because of the color, the price, or because their neighbor has one. But there's a small select group that buys with intelligence. And if you have one of the 5 I'm gonna show today, you're part of that group. Subscribe to the channel because here we speak to those who get it, not to those who just follow the herd. Let's go.
Number 5. If you have a 2007 Silverado Classic. Everyone called you crazy. Why didn't you buy the new generation? The Classic is old. But you knew something they didn't. You knew the Classic is basically an improved 2006. All problems fixed, all parts perfected, and still without all the complicated electronics that came later. And know what happened? Well, your friends who bought the new generation 2007 have already replaced transmissions, already had electrical problems. Your Classic, running perfect. You paid less back then, worth more today, and never had problems. Who's the smart one now? 5 years ago, they were worth the same. Today, the Classic is worth $4,000 more. You didn't get lucky. You were intelligent.
Number 4. If you have a 2014 Silverado, let me guess, everyone said wait another year, buy the 2015, it'll be more refined. But you bought the 2014 anyway. Know why you were right? Because 2014 was the first year of the new generation, and first year means maximum attention from GM. Best materials, rigorous quality control, zero cost cutting. The following years, GM started cutting costs. Cheaper part here, faster process there. But the 2014, that one was made to impress. Result, your 2014 has fewer recalls than the 2015, 2016, and 2017 combined. That's not opinion, that's official NHTSA data. You didn't follow the trend, you followed logic, and you won. Number 3. If you have a 2003 or 2004 Silverado HD. It's too old, man. Uses too much gas. Buy a new one. How many times did you hear that? But you looked beyond. You saw what really matters: simplicity and durability. While everyone was buying new trucks full of technology that breaks, you bought an HD you can fix with a screwdriver. No computer, no scanner, no headaches. And today, the guys who bought new ones are already on their 3rd truck. You, still with the same one, except now it's worth triple what you paid. You didn't save money on the purchase. You invested. And while they lost money, you made money. Farmers paid $25,000 today for a well-kept 2003. 7 years ago, they paid $8 grand. Did you know this would happen? Maybe not, but you trusted the right instinct.
Number 2. If you have a 2019 Silverado LD. This one's for the elite, because 90% of people don't even know the LD exists. When you went to buy, the salesman pushed the new generation. This one's the latest thing. But you researched, you read, you understood. You discovered the LD is the old model continued. Same tested engine, same proven transmission, same generous interior space, but with a discount because it wasn't the newest. Result, you paid $8,000 less than those who bought the new generation. And guess which one's having fewer problems? Yours! The new generation 2019 has transmission recalls, software problems, interior space complaints. The LD? Nothing. Zero. Running perfectly. You didn't follow the wave. You used your brain and saved a fortune. And number 1, the Queen. If you have a 2006 Silverado, if you bought this one and kept it, congratulations, you're a genius. Everyone said, buy new, it has warranty. That one's too old, it's gonna have problems. But you knew something that took years for everyone else to discover. The 2006 is the best Silverado ever made, period. While everyone was buying new ones for $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 and losing half the value in 3 years, you bought a 2006 for 12 grand, took care of it, and today it's worth $18,000. Wait. You didn't lose money, you made $6,000 driving your own truck. That's not luck, that's strategy. And it's not over. In 5 years, that 2006 will be worth 30 grand because it's a classic, because it's reliable, because they don't make them like this anymore. You didn't buy a truck, you made an investment that still drives. So that's it. If you have one of these 5, you didn't get lucky, you were intelligent. Which one do you have? Comment below so we can celebrate your smart choice.
and leave a like because you deserve this validation. See you next time.